Is your ReadyNAS Pro system showing its age? Don't replace it, upgrade it. Introducing our premium 400-watt power supply unit, specifically engineered for ReadyNAS Pro 6, Business, Pioneer, and Ultra 6 models. This isn't just a replacement, it's a genuine upgrade. With cutting-edge technology and professional-grade components, our PSU delivers superior performance that exceeds your original equipment specifications, all while saving you money. Installation? Incredibly simple. True plug-and-play design means no technical expertise required. Just connect the 24-pin main connector, the right-angled Molex connectors that keep wires clear of your cooling fan, and the 4-pin CPU connector. You're done! Built to last with a full 2-year warranty, this quiet, efficient unit features an 80mm fan and worldwide voltage compatibility from 110 to 230 volts. It's engineered for guaranteed compatibility with all listed models and delivers the reliability your business data deserves. Why settle for outdated when you can upgrade? Transform your ReadyNAS system performance today. Visit vandatrading.com and give your network storage the power it deserves. Order now with our 30-day return policy, because your data storage shouldn't compromise on power or performance.